Hello, my name is Christopher Reyes, and I'm recording this video to give you a short demonstration of how my website works for my final project in my class 331. So I want to start off by saying I could not get the delete to properly delete. I got all the user interface done. I got it to where when you click the delete, it brings up the retrieve page. However, it does not delete the entry that I desire, and I know that was a big disappointment, but I decided to just continue on with what I have because I know it maybe has something to do with like the ID, but I don't want to go and mess with like capitalization and all my other Java pages and potentially mess up all the progress that I have working right now. So I decided that this was the best result that I was going to get. And other than that, I had a lot of issues with basically every part. Retrieve, it was just not working at first, but then I kind of gave up for it on the night after multiple hours of troubleshooting, and I kind of decided that my code looked right and I was confident in it, so I was just going to come back the next day. And I came back the next day, turned on my computer, and gave it a quick run to see if it would work, and everything was working like a charm. And it was a little frustrating because I put in so many hours, and I feel like my the code was correct, so it's almost like I wasted time. But honestly, everything worked and I was just happy with that. And the same really happened with create and update. I would just get so tired at the end of the day, I would just quit and resume the next morning. And sure enough, all of it would work. So maybe that has something to do with why my delete's not working, but we'll go ahead and start giving a quick tutorial now that I've discussed the issues. So first we're going to do a create. Let's do the game Fortnite. We spelled this wrong, so we're gonna go ahead and update that later. But let's give it a 7. So here's our new entry, Fortnite, with our name spelled all messed up, and then the rating. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this. If you didn't see that here, I clicked update, and then I clicked the ID that I wanted to update. Let's just do Chris and say maybe the game has grown on me in the last however long. So we'll just go ahead and update it. And as you see there, it changed the rating from a 7 to an 8, and it fixed my name's misspelling. Lastly, we have the delete. Well, I didn't show you the retrieve, but when you create it, it brings up the retrieve. And also when you click a delete, it brings up the retrieve. So we're on the delete page right now, and we're supposed to be able to click one of these. And let's say I want to delete this Halo one. So as you can see, it didn't delete, but it did redirect us to the retrieve. So everything's working, but unfortunately, I just couldn't get the delete to work. But I'm pretty happy with the progress I made, especially with how much I struggled on the quiz last time. So I hope that you are happy with this tutorial, and thank you for watching.